happening here, and we're just about to take the four-wheeler out for a spin. See, here's our four-wheeler. That's my sister, me behind the camera. So she's about to start it up here. You can do the vlog because I got pants on. So guys, just leave how this place is called to my channel and everything. I'll be starting a new channel I think later on, and subscribe to my sister's channel. We'll make her win later, but and then I'll inform you on what her name is on it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna drive forward around here. And I'll put in some music for y'all while I do this. So we're going to jump a little bit, then we're going to head inside, and I'm informing you on that. We're going to be uploading a Try Not to Laugh challenge later on. We're going to be doing a Try Not to Laugh challenge later on. So that will be great if you go visit that stuff. But I love you, all my gamers, and goodbye. Okay guys, so we just parked the four-wheeler, so you're gonna have to repark it and everything. So I will be making merch, Cam Gaming merch later on. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I don't know how I'm gonna sell it. But please send me some fan mail, and I'll put our P.O. box in the link. I'll put our P.O. box in the description of our video. So we're not gonna end the video here because it's way too short. But we're just gonna walk around with y'all, and I might put in some music or anything like that in the later. But yeah, so that's what I'll do. Sorry. So we're going to just check on our pool. We finally got a pool put up. We finally got a pool put up now. So we're just going to go check on it. See how it's doing. Yes. Is the water still good? It's doing good. It's doing good. So that's what we're doing. And I'm about to walk in it. So my sister, she's about to walk in it. So just leaving comments. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? So there she is. She's just walking in it. We finally got it set up and clean a little bit. So yeah, that's what we did. gonna get some, I don't know, merch. We're gonna see if we can get some merch in. So, I am not leaving the vlog here. I'll just see you later. Okay, guys, so we stopped trying to get some merch in. Trying to get some merch in. So we're just gonna walk around. And we got so many dogs here. Hey, quit. Yeah, we got so many dogs here. But I think on Easter I will be uploading a river vlog. So, cause me, my dad, and cousins, my brother, my sister. Okay, I didn't tell you actually my sister's name, but this is Diamond. And just go subscribe to her channel, and just go subscribe to Roman Atwood's channel. He's the one that just inspired me to make vlogs and stuff. So just please go over there and subscribe to him. That'd be great.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored though. So yeah. See, we got new kayaks. We had green kayaks. Now we got these kayaks. And our cousin will be going with us. And so, yeah. We're going with us. So we'll be in the scenic view.
Go check out the China class.
Yeah. 10:40 now. We're gonna be doing a try not to laugh video. I don't know if I said this before, but we are. Oh, damn. Show them the chick.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, so we got so many animals here. So we got so many animals. We got chickens, dogs, ducks. Okay. We got chickens, dogs, ducks. I just about fell. So we're gonna check on the chicks, see how they're doing. Okay. So our duck.
Our rabbit.
No, our duck. We haven't.
Show y'all.
We actually haven't been knowing if, because our duck has laid eggs before in here with all our chickens. So that's where our ducks laid eggs, and we never let them out. And
yeah.
Okay, so we had to go to a discussion with our parents. But
This is our rabbit.
A rabbit?
She's so big.
And our chickens actually finally came out. The chicks. See? They're running away. And back to what I was saying, our ducks have been laying eggs. Right there. Them are fresh eggs.
Okay, we gotta leave them there. We got 5 roosters and 3 hens.
No, I think we got 2 hens.
There's one of our roosters. He's a white and red and black rooster.
We have
a black and white striped rooster, a red rooster, an orange rooster. That's 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so hold on. We're gonna go check on the pool again.
We gotta walk in the pool again.
Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a backflip, and so my sister's gonna record this. So you're gonna have to hold it. Okay. So. Okay, so she's gonna record this. So.
See, it's broke.
Okay, so it is broke even more. So I don't think we're gonna be able. Sorry about that. Able to do it, but here's
more pool action.
Here's our pool, and I don't know.
It's an 18 by 48 pool.
I'm in the woods right now. But just leave in the comments below. I'm so tired. Leave in the comments below what I should do. I'm gonna try not to laugh and stuff. So, notification squad, if you're out there, leave a comment. I'll leave my Snapchat down in there, in the description, in my Musical.ly. So I don't have actually any Musical.lys yet, but I will. So that's what I'll do. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So we're going to take you over. Okay, I'll meet you. We're going to go over to where our youngest dog is, which is actually a husky. I don't know if it's our youngest. So we're going to meet you over there. See ya. Okay, so we're almost halfway there. And we're finally getting roses bloomed. See, this is our first rose bloomed of the year. So, and we got not cherry, but rose bushes, raspberry bushes, our own put in basketball court. So, yeah. What my sister's doing. Diamond, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. So, she was taking it to my stepmom, her actual real mom. I don't know if I might introduce them to the vlog or into my channel, but go subscribe to my sister's channel. And I will leave it in the description down below. So make sure you go subscribe to that. Right now. Not right now. Leave this vlog and go subscribe to her vlog. I think she'll be doing DIYs, making slime and stuff. So you could go to her and subscribe to her. That'll be great. But my brother is actually at his baseball game right now, so I'll see you when we get down there. Okay guys, I'm sorry that I didn't get to show you our dog, but I'm gonna have to end the vlog here. See y'all my gamers, and bye.